difficult. We do know that children of alcoholics have an increased incidence of alcoholism, not necessarily because of the genetic factor, though that's probably part of it, but because you learn a whole series of maladaptive behaviors when you're in an alcoholic household and you're growing up as a child. You learn a whole series of tactics which keep you alive and maybe enable you to survive, but which are not transferable easily across to everyday life. One of the things which we have to face is that children who grow up in alcoholic homes are wounded, and learning to deal with those wounds is actually very tough, which is probably the reason why so many of them become alcoholics themselves. It's not their fault, but in a way, alcoholism and drug abuse itself isn't the fault of the individual. There's not much point in pointing fingers and blaming. Again, society does a pretty good job of that, but nobody chooses to be an alcoholic. Nobody chooses to be a drug addict. Most alcoholics and most drug addicts, if they could wave a magic wand and be clean and have a life without alcohol, without any pain or discomfort or anything else, would choose it in a second.